Hey G Squad, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool umbrella here, and basically what these are some string lights. And supposedly for these string lights, they are battery operated and it is waterproof. So if you guys want to put this indoor or outdoor, it should be fine. And for the one that we got right here is a brand called Koopower. So first I'm actually open this up to show you guys what the inside looks like. So once you guys do take it out, inside we do have a box. If you see how we do have the brand name on here, and they mentioned the material that's on here, it should be eco-friendly, and it is some LED lights. So first I'm actually open this up to show you guys what the inside looks like. So once you guys do take it out, this is what the inside looks like. So let's do take it out. First thing inside right here, they do provide a user manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. And then right underneath that, we do have the string light. And then right here, we do have the little box where you guys do want to put the battery inside. And then it turns out the battery is not included, so you need to have your own. And you see right here, they do show you guys how there's a lot of different modes available on here when you guys do use it. So right here is a button that's when pressed to activate it and change the different mode. But there's basically 8 different modes on here when you guys do use it. And they mention on the bottom when you guys are done using it, you basically want to press and hold the button for 3 seconds to turn it off. So that is basically everything that's included in the package. Let me actually open up to show you guys what the inside looks like in terms of the battery you guys need to use. So the way how you guys open up is on the side right here. So once you guys do open up, you can see how it does require 3 of the AA battery. And then right here, we do have the option for you guys to turn on or turn off the timer option. I guess for this part right here is a sealing option. So that way when you guys do close it up, that way none of the water can get in when you guys do use it. So that way the product can be waterproof. So that is basically what the inside looks like. Now I'm actually go get the battery and put it inside to show you guys how well the product works. Alright, so right here I do have my battery. So let's do put it in. Once you guys do put it in, if you guys close it up, make sure this part right here is fully sealed in, so that way none of the water can get in. Once you guys got it in, close it up, and now you're ready to start using it. Alright, so let's do turn it on. That is basically what the product looks like once you guys do turn it on. So if you guys do press the button, it allows you guys to change different mode. And then once you guys are done, like I mentioned, you guys can press and hold the button. And that is basically how you guys do turn it off. So that is basically how you guys do use the product. Let me actually bring this over to a darker setting to show you guys what the product looks like. And then we'll come back and talk more product in a second. Alright, so we brought the product into a different room. Let's turn off the light and show you guys how well the product works. So if you guys do turn it on, that is basically what the product looks like. Let's try the different mode on here. Alright, so that is basically what all the light modes look like when you guys do use it. Welcome back, guys. So now it's a quick test of the product. Definitely actually does work and actually works quite well. If you can see how when we use it in darker setting, it looks so much nicer than what we guys see right here. And that is obviously because it is pretty bright. When you guys do use any kind of string light in a darker setting, it looks a lot cooler, especially when you guys decorate it, maybe in your balcony, your roof, maybe your Christmas tree, maybe your front door, or anywhere else. And if you guys notice for these string lights, they don't have any like tape or any clips for you, so you guys need to purchase yourself, which I actually have some. So I'm going to show you guys what I recommend. So right here are the ones that I purchased from Amazon, which I'm planning to use for a Christmas tree when I do decorate it. So once you guys do take it out, this is basically what the clip looks like inside. So literally all you need to do is clip it through. But once you guys do put it in, that is basically what the product looks like. So once you guys finish that step, then you can just clip this onto your Christmas tree or anywhere else. And for the one I got right here is a 200 pack. I believe they do have this available in a bigger or smaller pack. So depending on how many you need, that is totally up to you guys. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and test the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not that's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys are in the market looking for some high quality string light that you can use for decoration, maybe for Thanksgiving, for Halloween, for Christmas or anything else. Then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, obviously don't buy one and save your money on something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.